Hey guys, Jody Matoma, Poshmark Journey here. I used to be known as Poshmark Canadian, but I changed that because it's better for search engine optimization, I'll be honest. But anyway, good news here. Poshmark Canada is coming. The beta is launching very, very soon, as you can see right here. I'm not sure what that means, but it can't mean more than a month. Like, they even italicized it. But anyway, so yeah, great news for our my Canadian friends here. What do we got? So yeah, if you want to sign up for the beta and to be in the loop for when it actually launches, just go to, as you can see here, www.poshmark.ca instead of .com, and then sign up now. Click that, and then put your email here. I already did that, so let's go back to the news. So looks like there's going to be 2 Posh parties if you want to participate in these. One's going to be in Vancouver, the second in Toronto, Ontario, Vancouver, BC. In Vancouver it's going to be May 29th from 6 to 9, and Toronto will be June 5th from 6 to 9. So you can check that out right here. It's on the Poshmark.com blog, and then these are just going to be the team, Poshmark Canada team here. You can read those on the blog as well if you want to. And then we got some beta facts, frequently asked questions here. So will the beta be available to everyone in Canada once it launches? And the answer is yes. It's going to be available to all Canadians throughout the entire province, as you can see down here. Not the entire province, the entire country. And every single country, every single province and territory in the country. And they're going to be using Canada Post, of course. And I'll get into the pricing of that a little bit later here. Here's some bad news right here. So straight out of the gate, when the beta launches, Canadians won't be able to sell to the United States to Americans, and Americans won't be able to sell to Canadians. It'll be just Canadians selling to Canadians, and then Americans selling to Americans, as it is now on Poshmark.com. However, I guess it says here, right here, a buyer in Canada will be able to purchase items from the US, but that's only if they ship it to a US address. So that doesn't really help unless you have a US address. But I might make a video about this, helping my fellow Canadians. Actually, I already have one for that. But I'll make a video for Americans, and like, I'm gonna have to do some research here. But I think I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how you can get your items to us Canadians. So look out for that. Hopefully, I didn't do any research on that yet, so I have no idea about anything. So. But if you are a Canadian and you want to ship your items to Americans in the US, go to my channel here, wherever you have to click, but go to my channel, and then it's on my main page. Just scroll down and you'll see I made a video showing you how to do that. So yeah, anyway, moving on. What do we got here? Oh yeah, and the final thing that they wrote about on the blog is the price. And as you can see here, $13 Canadian. That is kind of unfortunate, but I guess it was to be expected, and Canadians are already used to having to pay more for shipping, so sadly that is what it is. So $13, $12.99 is going to be the shipping cost, and that's up to 2.5 kilograms, which is probably just a little under 5 pounds, I think. But and then it says right here, between 1 to 7 business days, which is different than USPS, of course, which is between 1 and 3 business days. But Canada Post just isn't as good as USPS, and so also to be expected as Canadians. So no problem there. A little bit of a problem, but we'll be okay. So yeah, anyway, it looks like that's everything. Here, let me convert this real quick. So 12, I think it's like, because the US one, Poshmark in the US right now is $6.79, I think it is, US, and I think when you convert this, $12.99 USD to CAD, you get, oh sorry, I keep CAD to USD, is $9.70 US. So it is a few bucks more for us Canadians, but that's totally okay. And let's see, 2.5 kilograms to 2 pounds is 5.5 pounds. Wow, I was wrong there too, my bad. So that's cool. We got 0.5 more pounds than the US does, but it's not really. It's not often you hit the 5 pound mark on Poshmark because they're selling clothing and accessories. So, but yeah, I think that's going to be about it. So go to blog.poshmark.com/poshmark-Canada, and this is what you're seeing here. Once you've come here, you can go to the top here, and if you're in Vancouver, you can RSVP by clicking this, and if you're in Toronto, you can RSVP here if you're interested. And what else? Oh yeah, you can just click this link right here. It brings you right to poshmark.ca, and you can sign up for the newsletter. So yeah, very, very soon, probably a couple weeks, maybe a little bit over a month, who knows? But that's pretty exciting news, and yeah, heck, it might even be tomorrow or the next day, you never know, right? Anyways guys, welcome to all my Canadian friends who are going to be joining Poshmark. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments and I will get back to you. I'm pretty excited. One thing I am weary about is, well, because I'm shipping, like I have a Poshmark.com account, but I think I have to create a Poshmark.ca account as well. Like, I'm not sure. I'll create a new video once it's out and everything, but yeah, something like that I had on my mind is, am I gonna have to relist all 800 of my things on both platforms? Do you know what I mean? Or am I even gonna be able to ship to Canadians because I already have an account and it's set to the United States address? So I don't even know if I'm even gonna be able to ship to my fellow Canadians once Poshmark Canada comes out. And I live in Canada, as you may not know. I don't know if I even mentioned that yet. But yeah, I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I've been reselling on Poshmark for 7 or so months, and I've already sold about 815 things, and it's been amazing. I really hope I can sell to my Canadian friends here, but I guess we'll see what happens. Anyways guys, I just wanted to really quickly thank all 250 of my subscribers. Like I had 249 right before I was recording that past part, but then right now I just got my 250th, so that's really exciting. Like I was gonna say thank you in my next video, but this happened, like, as you can see. Right there. So thank you very much to Etc. Emporium, aka Valerie. Thank you very much, Valerie. I really appreciate you subscribing, and also to each and every one of you, as you can see right here, 250 subscribers. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And look, I even did this earlier today. I even made a new cover photo for my YouTube. So that was exciting. Also, if you're new to Poshmark here, I have a website right here. If you check out my channel, my helpful Poshmark site. As you can see here, it's posher.club. So if you want to head there, if you're like brand new to selling on Poshmark, there's a lot of knowledge there that I put for you guys, and but yeah, there's a lot of knowledge there for you guys, and there's 50 Poshmark facts for buyers, sellers, and anybody else. And what else? Latest news. I'm going to be like updating it with news and that, so be sure to check it out. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe here on this video. It really helps with the getting my page out there. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you, and we'll see you when I get back. Thank you.
If you want it,